Hey everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to turn on and off music and sound effects on Subway Surfers. Turning on and off sound and music effects on Subway Surfers is super easy, so make sure you watch the video till the end. Launch open Subway Surfers application and from the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu where you need to go and look for the music and sound effects option. Slide the little dot right under music and set it on your preferred volume. You can also drag the slider right under sound effects in order to turn on sound effects on Subway Surfers. If you want to turn it off, make sure that the little two dots are placed in the left corner under both of the options. Slide them to the left to turn off, whereas if you want to turn them on, you'll need to slide them to the right. Turning off sound effects or music can help you focus or save battery while playing. So that's how you turn on and off sounds and music effects in Subway Surfers. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Subway Surfers tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.